वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। दोस्तों नमस्कार। आप सभी का आपके अपने YouTube चैनल अध्ययन IAS लखनऊ में स्वागत है। आप सभी का अपार स्नेह, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब और शेयर के माध्यम से हमें प्राप्त हो रहा है और आप सभी हमें मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं, इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं कि मैं जो हूँ आप सभी के लिए अच्छे विषयों पर कुछ बेहतरीन वीडियो लेक्चर्स प्रोवाइड करूं, जो आप सभी को अलग अलग विभिन्न प्रकार के की प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं के लिए उपयोगी हो। तो दोस्तों, हम आज आप सभी को UPSC के CSE एग्ज़ाम में जनरल स्टडीज़ के पेपर 3 का एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक बता रहे हैं। जैसा कि हम इस टॉपिक्स पर पिछले 3 वीडियोस बना चुके हैं, 3 लेक्चर्स दे चुके हैं और इन लेक्चर्स में हमने आपको पावर्टी की डेफिनीशन, पावर्टी लाइन, पावर्टी कमिटीज़, पावर्टी डायमेंशंस एंड all other regarding concepts related to the poverty has been delivered to all of you in my previous all 3 video lectures. So today I will give you a video lecture and a video on the economic and social development, and we will continue in our series of these video series lectures as lecture number 4, multi-dimensional poverty. The multi-dimensional poverty क्या है, multi-dimensional poverty index क्या है और इसको हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, इनके विषय में हम आज आपको कुछ संक्षिप्त में बताएंगे, जो बहुत ही उपयोगी होगा और प्रीलिम्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होगा, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होगा। तो आज का हमारा विषय है सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक development. Social and economic development basically consists in the general studies 3rd paper, and by the topic social and economic development, we will guess the condition of country. Social development are related as the political, health, education. These are the social development. So first we get in a social economic development, our topic is multi-dimensional poverty. मल्टी-डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी। द मल्टी-डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी क्या होती है? व्हाट इज द बेसिकली मल्टी-डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी? दीज मल्टी-डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी आर बेसिकली द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द पॉवर्टी in all regarding inference and the dimensions. Generally, we know that poverty is estimated only on the calorie consumptions and or economic expenditure. Previously in India, so many committees are formed, as we discussed in our earlier lectures. These committees, these series are explained only on the economic expenditure and calorie consumptions. लेकिन ये इतना ही पर्याप्त नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट सफिशियंट फॉर डिस्क्राइबिंग द पॉवर्टी एंड पॉवर्टी रिगार्डिंग concepts. So the scholars develop the multi-dimensional poverty. Generally, multi-dimensional poverty will be based on the education, health, and longevity of the life or living of standard. And in the previous, economic committees are built up and they are framed that economic expenditure or the calorie consumptions. But this is not sufficient. So regarding to this, if somebody is illiterate and he is enjoy his good status in the society, but he can be deprived from any decisions or decision making systems. If any person is very good in a literate person, but he can died due to health issues, due to the epidemiological factors. So the multidimensional poverty will be based on three. As you know that the HDI, Human Development Index, in 1997, the Human Development Report include the multidimensional poverty. First, this is a history of the multidimensional poverty. When the multidimensional poverty is included in the Human Development Report in the 1997, because the multidimensional poverty is plays a very important role to develop the conditions for the human being. As you know that poverty is the deprivations of the opportunities and the choices or good डिसीजन मेकिंग ऑल इन द सोसाइटी. मतलब यहाँ पे ये कहने का अभिप्राय है, यहाँ पे ये कहने का मतलब है कि जो पावर्टी है, अगर किसी भी व्यक्ति को है, अगर किसी सोसाइटी में पावर्टी है, तो वो हो सकता है कि डिसीजन मेकिंग, मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है कि वो उसका सोसाइटी में कोई भी रोल नहीं होगा. द रोल ऑफ द पावर्टी इन द सोसाइटी विल नॉट बी देयर. सो जनरली वी से दैट poverty is the deprivation of opportunities and the choices in the life, and so the scholars include the multi-dimensional poverty, and this poverty is based on basically three factors. You can say that education, health, and longevity of life of person. These are the basically main factors for the multi-dimensional poverty. So after this, in 2010 multi-dimensional poverty index is started. In 2010 the multi-dimensional poverty index are included, and these are based on the following factors. So as you know that eradication is the poverty. Eradication of poverty in sustainable development goal. You know that eradication of poverty in the sustainable development goal is one. First rank. eradication of poverty in Sustainable Development Goal is the first line, and these will be so multidimensional poverty index. Multi-dimensional poverty index. This multi-dimensional poverty index is first developed by Oxford Poverty and Human Development Program, OPHI and UNDP in 2010. So this is a very important question, that who is developed the multi-dimensional poverty index? Developed by the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Program and United Nations Development Program in 2010. So Oxford Poverty and Human Development Program and UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Both organizations are released the first time in 2010 and introduced the multi-dimensional poverty index. This multi-dimensional poverty index is based on three factors. Which are the three factors? These three factors are this is called dimensional mirror, DM, dimensional mirror. And these are education, health, and living of standard. So dimension mirror of the multi-dimensional poverty index is education, health, and living of standard, you can say. And each of these three dimensions based on 10 indicators. 10 indicators. So you can say each and every one have 33.33% and total will be 100%. And what are their weightage? So friends, today we are discussing the multi-dimensional poverty index. Who released the multi-dimensional poverty index? UNDP and developed of the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Report. And these are basically based on the three dimensions. First dimension is our education or health and living of standard. And all these three dimensions are based on 10 indicators. In education and health, each and every one have two dimensions. Living of standard has six indicators. Total there are 10 indicators, 2 for the education, 2 for the health, and 6 for the living of standard. So we are giving you a short sentence for learning these indicators. And how can you learn the dimensional mirror of the poverty index? So we are giving you two important sentence, and by giving these two sentence you will be able to learn now name of the indicators and the dimensional mirror. So health. Health. This is the dimensional mirror. Health stand for health. Health, education, and living of a standard. So you can learn as health या हेल्थ कह सकते हैं इसको आप, और इससे आप जो है याद कर लेंगे, और ये तीनों जो है आपका कहलाएगा डायमेंशनल मिरर. एंड हाउ कैन यू लर्न द 10 indicators? Health has 2 indicators, education has 2 indicators, and living of standard has 6 indicators. Total number of indicators are 10. So how can you learn these indicators? This is the trick or tactics of learning, methodology of the learning. How can you learn? Now 10 indicators. 10 indicators. How can you learn 10 indicators? We give a one sentence. CM says, CM says, C is cat. Here we keep the D silent. CM says C is cat. This is the direct narration. And if you know, CM represents your health parameters. Says is the education, and this represent your living of standards. If you explain each by each, then C, child, C will be child mortality, M is the malnourished, child mortality, and malnourished. Says is for education, schooling attendance, year of schooling, and C is cat. C stand for, your S is sanitation, H is house, E is electricity, C is cooking fuel, A is asset, and D is drinking water. So you can learn your name of 10 indicators by CM says C is cat. You can learn these in very well manners. This will be your CM says she is cat. explain. C. Child mortality and malnourished. Says schooling attendance and year of schooling. C is cat. S sanitation. H house. E electricity. C cooking fuel. A asset. D drinking water. So these are the indicators, and the multi-dimensional poverty index is calculated on these basic indicators and basic dimensional mirrors, and each and every one has 1/3. So you can divide two indicators for the health, 1/6 1/6 each. इनका जो वेटेज हो जाएगा, वेटेज हेल्थ का जो वेटेज होगा वो आपका 1/6 हो जाएगा. हेल्थ वेटेज टू इंडिकेटर्स हैं, 1 and 2, ईच है 1/6 and 1/6. एजुकेशन has 2, 1 and 2, 1/6, 1/6. And living of standard has 6 indicators. 1/18, 1/18, 1/18, 1/18, 1/18, 1/18, 1 2 3 4 5 6, टोटल हो गया 6/18, and you can divide, you get 1/3. So you also get 1/3, you also get 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, you get 1. तो all the, अब इसमें जैसे 6 इंडिकेटर्स हैं, तो इनमें आपका जो भी ये 6 इंडिकेटर्स हैं उनसे रिलेटेड उनके पास फैसिलिटी है कि नहीं है, ये सब चीज़ें देखी जाती हैं. फिर जो है आपकी मल्टी डायमेंशनल पावर्टी इंडेक्स कैलकुलेट किया जाता है. ये परसेंटेज जितना ज़्यादा होता है पावर्टी उतनी ज़्यादा होती है. जैसे पावर्टी के लिए क्या है, इफ़ द कट ऑफ द पावर्टी इज 33.33%. If this is the score for any country is 33.33%, then it is the poor. But if the number lies between 20% to 33.33%, then this is called the serve poverty. And if number rises, then poors are very poor, vulnerable poors will be there. So if the score of this multi-dimensional poverty index is very less, then it is good for the country. मतलब स्कोर जितना कम से कम होगा उतना फ़ायदा होगा, स्कोर जितना ज़्यादा होगा उतनी प्रॉब्लम है. और 2009 में जो आपका मल्टी डायमेंशनल इंडेक्स उसमें था, तो उसमें इंडिया की जो रैंक थी वो आपकी 80 थी, 84, और जो है 2019 में इसकी रैंक जो है 49 थी. और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि अक्टूबर 16, 2019 को जो है हंगर इंडेक्स में जो है इंडिया की 102nd रैंक थी और टोटल कंट्रीज़ 117 थे. तो समझ सकते हैं कि कितनी सर्व कंडीशन है. फ्रेंड्स, हाउ वाज द वीडियो? प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर। और आप हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें। देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।